Before information and communication technology, learning traveled slowly. Knowledge lived in books, libraries, and classrooms alone. In the present day, ICT has reshaped how we learn, share, and grow. It connects minds across distances.
Hey classmate, I need more information for the research, but the library is already closed.
Oh no, redundancy today.
Let's search for more information online.
Here, I'll open Google Docs so we can edit it together.
Here's the list of online sites we can use.
ICT turns distance into connection and information into opportunity. For the advantage of ICT, easy access to information, enhanced learning experience, global collaboration, efficient knowledge sharing, and lifelong learning opportunities. For the disadvantages, digital divide, information overload, cybersecurity and privacy issues, dependence on technology, cost and maintenance.
There's a four question here about ICT. The first one po is how ICT changed the way you learn or teach?
Number one, distance learning kasi yan. What happens is, you will bridge the gap of distance.
Yes, po.
Kung ang estudyante ay unavailable during a certain time, lalo na ng pandemic, it bridges the gap ng student and teacher. Medyo napadali niya yung buhay during that time. Tsaka may option.
Yes, yeah.
May option ang teacher and then may option din yung estudyante.
Thank you. The second question po is what online tools help you the most?
Ako, usually kasi nag-i-stream ako sa YT ng mga turo ko with 20,000 followers.
Wow.
Hindi ko na sasabihin kung ano. But it's more about mechanical engineering. Ang nakatulong sa akin dati yung Zoom. Kasi nung in-introduce nila yung Zoom, alam ko yung kalaban niyang platform dati.
Ang bimikira po.
Google Meet, libre yung recording. Since dumami yung gumagamit ng cloud storage, nilimit nila yon.
Yes po.
Kaya gumamit ako ng ibang recording app. So, ang gamit ko yung talagang mga OBS tsaka yung Streamlabs. Isa ako sa mga unang gumamit ng beta app nila.
The third question po is what is the advantage of ICT for you, sir?
Advantage niya is mas madali yung buhay. Kasi may computer ka, hindi mo na kailangan magsulat ng pagkahaba-haba. And then, pwede mo i-search lang yung kailangan mo i-search na idea.
Yes.
May expand my idea with the use of number one, AI. Given that responsible yung paggamit mo sa kanya.
Super advanced.
Dapat marunong ka rin ng prompting. Kaming mga head of colleges or departments, tinuturuan kami ng office na magkaroon kami mga seminar paano magkakaroon ng proper usage ng AI.
For the last question, sir, what is the challenge of ICT for you?
Yung challenge of ICT, yung open masyado yung information. Sometimes it is quite maligning. In Tagalog, parang hindi mo na alam yung totoo.
Yes.
Too much information, you can never digress if that is true or not.
Unless kung po naturo po talaga.
Oo. Maybe, if you will sort it out with research, past research, kasi ngayon mahirap na maniwala eh. Lalo na sa kung ano yung nakikita mo pinalalabas, mostly parang generated na siya ng AI.
Yes.
Kaya sabi ko sa mga students ko, AI will make everything perfect. You know what's more beautiful than that? You know how to appreciate yung imperfection ng isang bagay. Kasi it what makes us human. Mag-isip.
Yes po. Okay sir, that's it po. Thank you for your time sir.
Thank you, thank you.
Thank you po sir. How has ICT changed the way you learn or teach?
ICT has fundamentally changed my learning by offering instant, on-demand access to diverse global educational resources, moving beyond traditional textbooks.
Second question, what online tools help you the most?
Search engines like Google Scholar and collaborative document editors like Google Docs are the most helpful tools for researching group projects.
The third question is, what is the advantage of ICT for you?
The main advantage is the ability to collaborate in real time with peers and access recorded lectures, allowing for flexible and self-paced review of materials.
And for the last question, what is the challenge of ICT for you?
The biggest challenge I face with ICT is managing digital distractions and ensuring consistent high-speed internet connectivity for online learning.
That's it. Thank you.
ICT is not just technology. It is a bridge connecting learners, teachers, and communities. It shapes how we grow and how we understand the world. But like any tool, its values depends on how wisely we use it.